Albert, track fans. How are we doing today? Here's another track, and a big track it is. There we go. We're going to have a look. What car have we got today? It's the Porsche 911 RSR on the track. Let's go, track fans. Here we go, up into the wiggly corner of Chicago, round into Bentley Bend, hairpin 1, into the first, second, third leg of the triangle, kick out corner on Gambon, 3/4 pin. The Porsche is taking it nice and steady around the track at the moment. I quite like this. It reminds me driving the Aston Martin Vantage from earlier episodes of Track Fan TV. So here we go, R1, first leg of the triangle, second and third leg there, kick out through the crossover, back past pole positions, follow it round a bit into Bentley Bend in R1. Whoa, we got a spin out down on Gambon! Takes it round, he can't recover it. Quick, let's get him back on the track fans. Onto the triangle, up to Hammerhead and round to Gambon. Through pole position and into Chicago. To Bentley, to R1. The Porsche is warming up nicely now. It's got a bit of traction, but I take my eyes off it there for a second and it spins out. Okay, let's bring it back to pole. I hope you enjoyed today's track fans. See you later, Albert. See you later, track fans.